चौथो वर्सुकी गोवा ट्रायथलॉन आयतारा बांबोळे दोनापावल वाठारांत जातलो. ते फाटोफाट स्विमींग, सायकलिंग आनी रनिंग अशें ट्रायथलॉनाचें स्वरूप बरेपैकी आयोजन जाता म्हूण ह्या गोवा ट्रायथलॉनांत देश विदेशांतले एथलेट वांटेकार जातात. अंदू 500 एथलेट येतले अशें आयोजक एंड्रयू स्पोर्ट्स म्हणटा.
The Goa Triathlon. It starts at 7 a.m. on the 12th of February. This is the 4th edition of this event. We've had 3 triathlons so far. Again, we do this event for a cause. It's done for a charity. It's done for a good purpose. And like I said, a portion of what we make is always donated towards schools. The number of people that this event has seen has grown so rapidly over the years that it shocks us as well. We've got 500 participants coming for this event. If you compare that to our first event where we had 92. This is the only triathlon in India where the swimming happens in the sea. And the reason that we are so confident of doing the swimming in the sea is largely because of Drishti. They've always been with us right from the beginning. In addition to that, we also have the support of the Indian Navy. They've always been very proactive and they've backed us up as well. The second USP of the Goa Triathlon is this is the only triathlon in India where the roads are closed for vehicular traffic.
We have 2 events. The Olympic Triathlon, which is a full distance Olympic, which involves 1.5 kilometers swim, 40 kilometers cycling and 10 kilometers run. The other event is for the amateurs who would like to get into Olympic triathlon but are not confident of these distances. So they would be doing 1/4 of those distances. In a sense, the swim would be 400 meters, the cycling would be 10 kilometers and the run will be 2.5 kilometers. Behind Bamboli Beach Resort is where the swim takes off. For the Olympic triathlon, they will be swimming 700 meters out, 100 meters across and 700 meters back. Cycles are all parked in the resort. We have special racks for the cycles. So all the cycles are parked according to the bib numbers and the cycle numbers. The cycling starts from there, from the resort. They take out of the resort, climb up the slope to the top of the Grand Hyatt Bamboli slope. From that point, which is point A, the route goes left right up to the Orshell Junction. That is just after the Goa University Library block. There's a new clock tower over there, just beyond that. So the cyclists for the Olympic Triathlon will be doing 6.5 loops, after which they will park their cycles. We have a separate parking, again with stands, just beside the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, which is a cordoned off area. Cycles will be parked over there. They will head out from there, do 1.5 loop of that same thing and head down back to the Bamboli Beach Resort to finish the race.
सिदात दे गोवा दर म्हयन्याच्या पयल्या मंगळाराक फादो नायट्स मनयता. फादो म्युझिका बरोबर फादो स्पेशल पोर्तुगीज कुझिनाचें खासा आकर्शण, तरेतरेचे पोर्तुगीज खाणा जेवणाचे जिनस, गोंयचो फ्लेवर दिवपाचो सिदातचो यत्न.
Good evening. Today is the first Tuesday of February and we are celebrating the Fado at the Alfama, our signature restaurant, our signature chef's restaurant at the Ciudad de Goa. We have been celebrating Fado every Tuesday, or rather I would say the very first Tuesday of every month for more than a decade. It's a very long time that we are celebrating this famous music, the food and the culture and the cuisine of Portugal in India. Now what we have done is we have amalgamated the food of Portugal with Goan flavors, got all the food flavors together into a very stylish presentation that you can see here. very many dishes. You have a 4-course or a 5-course menu paired with unique wines with every course.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
हे बुलेटीन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.